There's a lot of tracks that do testing. There's not a lot of areas where the R&D is happening that leads to the testing. So when we think about what's here, we're not just thinking about cars. We're thinking about military vehicles. We're thinking about first responders that are helping to bring somebody to safety. We're thinking about last mile shuttle services that we can capture the imagination of the public. If you're looking at testing what's coming, that's why you come to Area X.0. Area X.0 is future ready.
Area X.0 operates one of the most advanced communication test infrastructures in the world. Companies in numerous sectors, including smart farming, have access to our GPS systems, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, LoRaWAN, TV white space, 5G, including millimeter wave, and satellite communication systems.
I think the objective for a site like this is to provide a platform where you can test and validate your solution in a contained and controlled environment.
The potential for the Ottawa Area X.0 site is endless, as are smart cities. We are just at the infancy of smart cities. This is just the beginning.
To me, the key thing is unlocking the data that sits in the city and making it available for actionable use. That process of connecting vehicles to smart city infrastructure and using the available live, real-time data is extremely valuable.
Based on the data analysis results, we're trying to give the conclusion and make sure we provide the recommendation to the future implementation of the smart intersection.
The future of this innovation technology requires ecosystems to come together. And Area X.0 has provided the opportunity and the facility for this advancement of research and testing to occur. We've been part of the strategic table to identify partners that might actually enhance the solution.
Transport Canada publishes guidance material for conducting trials of automated and connected vehicles in Canada. And the results will really help inform contributions to the development of guidance documents for testing automated shuttles in Canada.
Prior to Tunney's Pasture, we brought it to our closed test track here at Area X.0, where we performed various test scenarios at our closed test track, and it performed very well. Gave us all the confidence to go ahead with the Tunney's Pasture.
Our value is really autonomous vehicles as a service, so we plan to deliver teams of vehicles to solve problems.
Area X.0 has a lot to offer to new graduates like myself and my co-founder Mo. It has provided us with fast spaces for us to test our new R&D capabilities. In addition, it offers us with great opportunities to participate in expos and demonstration days.
The future of intelligent transport to me is everyone is safer and things move more efficiently.
With the development of the mobile Area X.0 Command Center, we can bring the capabilities right into the local community and start working with small, medium businesses there to bring new solutions that address their local needs.
We work with the hardware companies, all the big names, the silicon vendors that you can think of, and then we empower these systems. So we're sort of that software foundation that again has to be safe, secure, reliable, 100% of the time.
We're taking the latest and greatest of our artificial intelligence technologies, our wireless technologies. We're really stretching our technical abilities.
So it is about changing the way we will operate.
It's a very collaborative environment. And not only are we being able to talk with people on site, the various companies that are, here right now within this footprint, but we're working together on projects to bring across North America to showcase not just our company's technology, but collaborative technologies at work.
There has to be a champion that actually moves to the next step and uses technology and talks about issues.
Really what excites me is the ability to change the world. And here at Area X.0 and with the partnership of all the different project partners, we really have the opportunity to start to do that.
We are passionate together about helping companies develop, test, and demonstrate their technologies and drive the safe and secure adoption of new Canadian solutions.
Small companies, new entrepreneurs can come in and they can work with us on our side.
The work we're doing with Area X.0, the network we get through Invest Ottawa is amazing.
It's through strong partnerships like this that we help ensure our engineers, our regulators, our inspectors better understand the challenges and opportunities offered by those next generation technologies, while helping support Canadians' enterprises scale up their operations.
Area X.0, led by Invest Ottawa, plays a unique role in our regional technology development sites, coordinating our regional strengths across our province.
In terms of creating the testbed and the networking, that will be the overlay of cities worldwide to enable this electrification transition, gather and use data from vehicles in real time, making the best decisions both autonomous vehicles as well as drivered vehicles and use the least amount of carbon footprint.
It made me have a deep sense of appreciation for all the extensive work I see being conducted daily at Area X.0 and Invest Ottawa to drive a cleaner, more sustainable and inclusive future for the next generations to come.
Being in an area that is snowy and the climate is challenging has really been beneficial in creating surprises of new technology and how we develop that. That's been quite amazing.
Ottawa's Smart Safe Interactions for Vulnerable Road Users project is a great example of the power of actionable data gathering, knowledge brokerage, and continuous iteration among actors from around the world.
The network here in Ottawa, the experience, the expertise, everyone that you need in order to pull the entire experience together is here.
There are a number of large companies here we can potentially work with to gain a foothold in different industries, and there are a number of smaller innovative companies as well.
Meeting these other companies here, we could figure out how we could also work together to create a connected Canada.
The Auto Smart Farm provides producers, ag tech innovators, and firms access to one of the most advanced communication test systems, cutting-edge AI and data analytic techniques, over 100 acres of completely fenced and gated farm fields, and the highest tech talent concentration per capita in North America.
It all comes back to data. How do we collect it? How do we manage it? How do we learn from it? How do we become more predictive and ultimately automate some things to do better?
All of the data that we do capture, we're willing to share it. We're willing to pass on our knowledge and our experience.
Area X.0 does not only help us with providing assets to test with and implement and deploy our solution. They help connect us with industry leaders, regulators, government bodies that can really accelerate our product through the whole pipeline. It's like a one-stop shop with Area X.0.
By the look of all the demos that we've got here, there's so many exciting things to do. I know we're going to be flying some more drones down at the drone center, and obviously we've got the autonomous vehicles out rolling around.
More and more of these demos are needed, within our locality, especially in Ontario, so people get exposure to it.
Being here, hearing like the person actually speaking, seeing the facility, it's a whole different idea altogether.
I am not aware of any other such facility in the world that is as advanced, as open, and as comprehensive.
I love innovation, I love technology, and I think that this site is really a model for us being able to have great technology come together, and then I think Ottawa can be a leader in this space.
Yes, I've seen the future, it's here now.
You've got really all of the ingredients of a triple helix model. You've got government, academia, and industry together, and that to me is exciting. That's really why I think the future is very bright with Area X.0. On behalf of Invest Ottawa, all of our partners, all of the companies that benefit from what we do here at Area X.0, I want to extend my deep thanks and gratitude towards FedDev Ontario, the province of Ontario, OCI, and of course the City of Ottawa, who are with us lockstep all the way along. Thank you.